Hey everyone, MrTass from MrTass 3D Print Shop. Back at you with the video. It's been a little while since my last one, but since that time I have hit the first tier on YouTube Partner, so thank you everybody that watches. Please hit that subscribe and like button, leave a comment. I appreciate it, and I appreciate all of your watching. So what I've got here today, I've got a couple items that ZyberVR has sent me. They're a great company, have a lot of great products. This particular one is tempered glass protectors for your cameras. So everybody has their lovely Quest 3, which has these lens areas and cameras on the front here. If that glass breaks, that's no bueno. It's not going to end well for you. So for $1.99 on Zyber's website, which you can save 15% with code MrTass, they've got these tempered glass protectors. So let's see how they fit, see how they stay, if they stay, and where we go. So comes in a little brown simple box here, and inside you got the Zyber socials there on the back. We get our 3 camera tempered glass, and yep, that definitely feels like the glass like you would have with your phone case. Similar type of process here. We get a lens cleaner, and we get a wet and dry wipe. Again, just like you would put this to protect your own phone cameras or anything that way, should be a similar install process here. Now there are no instructions, so I'm going to assume, and we all know what assumptions do, how to do this. So I'm going to get out my lovely little lens protector here, or lens cleaner, microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to scrub these down real quick. We're going to take the wet wipe that they give, if my fingers would work today, and I'm going to wipe down all 3 of these, because these are your sensors, these are your cameras. You want that to be as clean and clear as possible. And we're going to get the dry that off. And good. Now you can see on the 3 pack here, there's a little circle hole on the top here. That would make this the center one. So I'm going to peel that off. I'm going to make sure I don't touch the sticky side. I'm just going to put that right on to there. And voila, first one fixed. And then these 2 should just be normal with each lens. Now I am not doing this at an angle that is the smartest angle, I'm sure. But here, let's do this last one. Point it up. I'm going to put that right on to there. And like that. And then you get the lovely little microfiber cloth. Clean off my fingerprints. And there you have it. I now have at least a protective layer over these 3 little lens locations. Appear to be sticking on there very nicely. I'm not feeling them slide or shift as I'm rubbing them here. I like it. They installed real easy and clean. And I'll see if I have any issues with tracking, but I don't expect. And that's it. It's a great little product. Let's check their website just so you can see it directly on there. So ZyberVR.com, they have a bunch of items. They have Quest 2, Quest 3, other systems. One of my personal favorite items is the battery pack you see there, the Neck Power Bank. And again, you should be able to save 15% on all of it. But the ZyberVR Quest 3 tempered glass camera protectors, 3 pieces, $1.99. You can do free shipping at a certain point with Zyber also. Optical clarity and transparency, high quality tempered glass, scratch and smudge resistant, ultra thin lightweight, bubble free insulation, and oil resistant coating. All of that seems to hold true. It installed beautifully on there. It does come, there's another package for $11.99 that gives you this clear protective case. I generally wouldn't advise the protective cases. Brad has done a lot of videos, and he always shows that it causes a lot more heat problems than it's probably worth. But if you do want that extra layer of protection, they do offer it. For me, I think these lens covers, the camera covers, will be perfect. And will just give me that little bit of added peace of mind that I'm not going to scratch that lens accidentally if my controllers, you're playing and they bang up against your face. So thanks for watching this video. Look for more videos to come. I am also expecting to get the Zyber Ace head strap, which is their brand new one. This Ace head strap, which looks very interesting. $39.99, has a different type of top. It's an Elite strap style, but it almost looks like a combination of Elite and Halo. So I'm curious to see that. And again, like I said, I really, really like this neck power bank. I use it not just for my Quest, I use it for my phones, for everything. It has a hot swappable battery. You can see my video for that as well. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Till the next video.